What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to install the YouTube mobile app on your PC using BlueStacks. BlueStacks is a popular choice to download and use mobile apps on your PC, as it's particularly optimized for this purpose. Start by clicking on the first link in the description to access the BlueStacks website. Once you're there, download the BlueStacks 5 setup installer for your system. This should just take a second, and then you can follow the install wizard to install the application to your PC. After the installation is complete, BlueStacks should open up automatically. Once BlueStacks is running, open the Play Store within the Emulator and make sure you're logged in with your Google account. Then, search for YouTube and download the mobile app just as you would on your phone. Depending on your network speed, this might just take a few minutes. Once the app is downloaded, you can run it just like on your mobile device and start enjoying YouTube on your PC. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.